Okay. Hi, Anna. What's going on? Where are you going?
I'm going to the moon because that's where everybody goes.
What part of the moon would that be like?
I'm looking for some cheese because I'm from Wisconsin.
Saturnus part of the moon?
No, I'm just looking for cheese because I heard that there's cheese. The moon is made of cheese.
Yeah.
Just leave me alone now.
Can you verify that? Is that
that's what what's
Wikipedia?
his name said. That guy that actually landed on the moon. You know who he is, don't you?
Neil Armstrong.
Yeah, exactly.
He said that.
He told me there was cheese on the moon, so I'm going up there to get
So you're actually going out in public, and let me just get the full outfit. Moon boots. Here, walk into the light.
Shut up.
Walk into the light. Moon boots, astronaut / mechanic uniform, Hello Kitty purse, and Foster's cap.
Oh, that's what they want up at the moon. Leave me alone!
Alright. So.
No, seriously, I'm on a mission from God. God is telling me
like
that
the Blues Brothers.
Exactly.